Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to install Dragon Medical One. After you purchase DMO, you will receive a welcome kit email with this information. If you have lost this email, you can log into your dictation.cloud account to locate your welcome kit information. Once you have located your welcome kit, you will copy your organization ID and download the software. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded software and begin the installation. Click Next and paste in your organization ID. If you've already copied it, it will paste it for you. Just verify that it is correct and matching the information on your screen, which you could see it is not. So I'm going to go ahead and paste. Make sure there's no white spaces, as you can see here. And once you have correctly pasted the software organization ID, you can click Install. Now it is prompting you to launch Dragon Medical One and create a desktop shortcut. Go ahead and click Done.